Want to try Real Debrid without paying upfront? Here are legit ways to get it free or at minimal cost. First, use Fidelity points. Each premium plan gives Fidelity points like loyalty rewards. Once you reach 1,000 points earned from purchases or referrals, you can redeem them for a 30-day free premium subscription. Second, refer friends. Real Debrid offers 50 points and 5 extra days of premium for each referral. So bring in a few friends and you can score that free month faster. Another method is earning rewards through survey sites. So use platforms like Survey Junkie to get gift cards or PayPal cash and apply them towards Real Debrid's €3 to €4 plans. You might have heard about happy hours where Real Debrid once offered limited time free access, but users on Reddit confirmed those ended back in 2019, and there is no free trial currently. A few third-party sites claim to offer free account credentials, but these are often outdated, insecure, and risky to use. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop any comments if you have any questions related to this video or if you want me to make a specific video for any topic.